Congratulations, Mr. Henson, on your baby. I know you're going to be a good father. I appreciate what you have done for us this year, and you have been a great teacher. Now back to this. Our base is base 12, and for this, the visibility, the zeros, the one for, if you want to divide by zero, the ones place has to be zero. For ones, every number stays itself. For twos, the last digit, the ones is for us, right here, has to be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Hold up. For 3, the sum of the digits has to be a multiple of 3. For 4, if the numbers end in 0, 4, and 8, then it's divisible by 4. For 5, after the first full set, add 3 to the even number and 5 to add to the odd numbers. For 6, the pattern has to be add 6, then add 4. For the pattern for 7 is add 7, then add 5. For 8, add 8, and then add 6. For pattern for 9 is add 9, then add 7. For 10, add 10, and then add, what does that, 3? 8. 11, add 11, numbers add up to 11. For 10, the pattern, it adds up to 10. When I'm talking about 10, we're going like horizontally. Like right here, add 10, it's going adding 10 to the next one.
Okay, our symbols, we use letters, and for our full set would be AX, because that's like sort of 10. And the reason why we have a line under this 10 and 11 is because these are for the ones place. Yeah.
In terms of simple counting, we use the variables A through K, and then once we get to AX, that's when it's AX because that's when it'll be one full set. Oh, yeah. And in terms of the conversions, it is 138 because this would be a 1 in 144 is placed, and then 3 in the 12's place, and the 8 for the ones place, and then the same thing for here. Only difference is this would be the 1,728th place, and then on.
All right, for the addition, we did EBJ plus GKJ. EBH, which is 528 plus 7, 11, 10. You start with the ones place, and 10 plus 8 will be 18, which in our base, that will be 6, and carry 1 over. Then 11 plus 3 be 14, which is put down to 2, carry 1 over, and this is 12. And then add that as 13, which is 1 full set, and you gotta carry the other one over, so that'll be 11, 2, 6. And in our base, the symbols would be KBF. And for subtraction, we did FTC minus BGE, which is 643 minus 275. So as you can see, that you can't do 3 minus 5 or 4 minus 7. So we had to carry over. We had to borrow from this one. And we brought 1 full set over and then 1 full set over here. So if you add a full set to 3, that'd be 15. So 15 minus 5 is 10. That's 10 to the ones place. Then this would be 13. 13 minus 7 would be 6. Right?
Yeah.
And then here would be 5 minus 2 would be 3, which is CHJ.
No, my turn. In our system, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. For our system, because we have a base 12, is 1s, 12s, 144s, and 1728s.